you like instantly can't refund it because it's been going on for 2 hours.
Yeah, oh shit. Steam fucked us on this.
I mean, we already have over.
Look at all these fucking war banners.
Oh shit! I accidentally shifted. I shift tabs and flew into them.
Look how fucking high up I am, just chasing this goddamn Raider Wisp.
Mark, don't even get near them. Just
We
chill out in the
killed
back,
him. We're so
so you can
close.
get items. Mark, just run in the back. We'll kill him.
Alright,
Where are you?
got
Oh
him.
shit, Mark, you know
You
over
guys
there.
open all these items for me.
Yeah, we can't yet. We gotta do the tele.
Another Titanic neural. Holy dick. Oh my
Leave
god.
him,
that fucking-
leave him for Mark. Just let him take everything.
I just grabbed an item, but yeah. He should
Grab the
Mark,
good
just
item.
Grab all the boss items.
Here, I'll start. Or if I can find any chests.
I'm just
I'll
gonna
leave it
buy
there.
everything and pin it.
This like hook where it like brings enemies in. I don't
Sentient meat hook.
think it's very good. I don't think I've ever seen it do anything.
It's pretty good.
I mean, I don't think I'm close enough for that it to actually do anything.
You probably just need more. It's because it's on hit, so you probably just need that. Honestly, just like a fucking mini black hole.
I don't know if I just haven't
Mini
seen it.
black hole passive.
What is my health bar, dude? I don't know if I'm dead or not.
You have so much shield.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm getting it from.
Give me items for sure.
Well, no shit.
Oh, fuck you. Oh, I'm fucking dead. No. Oh no, I actually went invisible, so like I lived.
Mark, don't die.
Where are you? man?
Oh.
Oh, it's way over there. Okay.
I'm rarely using R. I just have no need to.
I have to use like all of my abilities like 3 times just to kill these basic enemies.
I'm just obliterating everything. This is fucking amazing.
Really dumb.
It's almost over.
Yeah, then we
Mark
can
is
start
probably-
opening shit.
These things are gonna AoE. the
Yeah,
shit.
Mark, just get away from here.
Just kill him faster.
Still my right clicks.
Okay, they did.
Both, so fast.
Oh. Alright, we're good.
Okay, start opening shit for Mark.
I mean, Mark has the money.
Okay, well, I'm gonna start opening shit for Mark. Actually.
If it's
Oops,
on his
shit.
shit, I'm gonna grab it. I need that for the turret.
Actually, I'm not going to. Cause I'll just start taking all the shit. There's a whole bunch over here, Mark.
There's a med kit. There's
Fucking
a two med
fast.
Don't
kits.
hit those fucking. Don't hit those fucking. God damn it! Fern.
What, pussy? Just one fucking enemy. The turret does some fucking
Ah, I
work.
have to wake up fucking early to print out my essay. Oh well.
Look at this damage.
Oh.
He's not even gonna get that attack off. Get shit on. Mark, there's a bunch of health.
I feel like we've had a game longer than this.
No, we have not have a game longer than 117 minutes. Yeah, there's no way.
I'm just gonna fly straight up.
I don't know about together, but
Oh shit.
Russell, is this your longest game?
It literally just keeps
no.
going until
My
everybody
longest.
dies.
I have like an hour of footage from my longest. It went like 3 hours.
Holy shit.
I was
3
multi.
hours.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I fucking. I got full crit, and then I got like all the healing shit, and I got all the attack speed on crit.
Holy fuck. Mark, come over here. There's so many chests I can open for you.
Yeah, there's so much. There's shit down here as
Yeah,
well.
it's a rusted key. It's nothing.
Goodness,
So many
me,
combat
there's so many
shrines.
drinks,
Jesus.
It's bunny hopping around.
though. Yeah, Mark, come over here. There's
Whoa!
So many open chests. Mark, yeah, over here.
What the fuck is that?
And then jump up here.
There's one down here
There's
as well.
2 chests up here you can get.
Gasoline.
Dude, I'm covered in items.
Oh, this is the Hellfire tincture.
Fern, me and you are almost filled up our second rows.
Fuck.
I
Yeah. I have so many duplicate items, it's like kind of hard.
don't think there's too many more items we can possibly get other than red ones.
There's a lot more items.
Really?
But we just keep getting, yeah, but like, we just keep stacking shit. Like, I just got another.
Does the
gold
Hellfire
chest.
tincture do more damage to enemies than you?
Huh?
Does this Hellfire Tincture, does that do more damage to enemies than it does to you?
I don't know. I never use that fucking garbage.
Are we good to leave this
I'm gonna look that up.
place?
Wait. Just let me look this up real quick.
What are you looking at over here?
The Hellfire Tincture,
Oh,
I want
there's-
to see.
Gasoline over here.
Let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I'm taking the Hellfire Tincture.
Does it do way less?
It does 24 times to enemies what it does to you.
Holy shit, I'm still recording. I
my.
forgot.
And it does 5% of your max health.
Alright, hit that fucking TP.
There's a gasoline can.
I've been
Alright,
recording since like the
TP.
90-minute mark.
I'm gonna hit this fucking TP, dude.
Well, yeah, now Mark's got a fucking shit ton of items.
Just hit it. Get us out of here. Here we
So,
go.
all that experience.
You don't get shit. We were level 30 when we started this area. I'm barely fucking level 31.
What does leveling up even get you at this point?
It gives you more damage, health, and the fucking
Altar
what's
of
it
Gold.
called? Warbanner.
Do you want to take the Altar of Gold thing
How
this
much
time?
does it cost? That's a
30
good way to fucking
30,000.
end this run. That's nothing. I'm already at 3k.
Yeah,
Let's take all the fucking risks, dude. Who
Yeah.
cares?
All the risks of rain.
It's so fucking fun.
Getting kid out with that game
Oh my
called
god, this Hellfire Tincture's so good.
Fucking gamer brain setting in.
Game on brain. Check
God
your privilege.
damn it.
Good thing I kept it for you, Russell.
Oh my god, I'm flying
I
through
thought
the
Marco
map.
was dying. He kept using that bullshit. Dude, my frames were taking the big shit. Dude, I'm at 27k. Yeah, I just
Shrine of the
Mountain.
Mountain? Yes,
How
please.
about the Shrine of the Gold?
How about Shrine of the Mountain?
What's the cooldown on it?
5. More out of combat movement?
He said 5.
That's what I said,
Dude, I just
Fern.
want to end this. Holy fuck.
I do, but I don't at the same time.
I kind of really do. Because, like,
I
I
want...
just really want to see the damage charts. Like, if I'm
Yeah,
if
but I
I'm
don't
being
want it to
completely honest.
end.
Let's go like fucking as hard as you can.
I am
What a
so
number.
fucking fast.
Yeah, I have so many movement speed items.
What's the teleporter?
Fuck if I know.
Oh, there's a lunar thing we can hit, Sammy. Don't you have enough coins to buy it?
I have 12.
I don't know if it'll work this time.
Russell, look at how fast I am.
Right? Oh god.
Oh my god. How many extra jumps do you have? I have fucking 4.
I have no clue. I have 2.
Chance to bleed enemies, that's fucking OP. And sticky bombs.
Whoa! There goes all my health.
Careful.
I forgot Russell's playing the melee character. That's fucking
Yeah.
insane how he's lived this long.
Oh, I got more movement.
Whoa! What the fuck?
What?
Fucking jumped all the way up here because I jumped off a rock.
Oh,
Oh,
rocks.
shit.
Oh, wait,
It's
I'm on the
slamming.
top of the
Oh,
map.
I
What the
didn't.
fuck is
I
a
think.
TP?
I found it. I'm hitting it.
Yeah, oh man, I don't know anything. Oh yeah, over there.
It's right behind the spawn.
Jesus.
Oh, God.
Oh, it's a bunch of wandering vagrant. Oh, it's a blazing wandering vagrant.
It's
That's
not.
nothing,
It's
dude.
it's
It's
blazing
2.
doesn't matter anymore.
There's a lot of them.
There's a lot of shit going on. My frames.
Shit,
Oh
shit.
no.
My frames are taking the biggest shit.
Okay, I'm out. I can't.
Wait, they're almost dead already.
Yeah, I'm
Oh
about to pop
my
in with a Prion accumulator. See what
God.
I can do.
Oh, god damn. Oh.
I'm dead. Wow. Oh, I had Dios. I forgot.
Do you?
Oh my god, I thought I was gonna fucking be dead and be done.
Oh no!
No,
I died.
got
I died.
fucking Dios.
I died.
I forgot I
No.
had Dios. That's fucking OP.
No.
Item fucking
This
picks
isn't
me up
mountain,
when I
right?
die.
This is just regular.
It's
yeah,
mountain.
no, it's good. He's got a mountain.
I thought it was fucking experience shit, not them attacking me. Fucking gamer brain setting in.
Ha, you died before Mark.
You're worse than Mark, nerd.
Idiot.
He's the big shit.
Well, technically Fern died first.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
I
that's
live.
true.
Bitch, I got Dios. Don't get shit. on
Dios nuts.
me. Dios nuts.
Oh,
Holy
I'm
fuck.
waiting for this fucking explosion shit to go so I can.
Wow, 3 stone titans just spawned in front of me. That's
Ow.
insanity.
I want to see what Russell. I want to see what Melee looks like in this fuckness.
Oh, you want to see?
Oh my god!
Let me go over there.
Holy shit!
I just put turrets down and run away.
This looks terrible, Russell. I would have thrown up by then.
I have to fucking throw my. I have to like 360 nonstop.
Look at me, Sammy.
Fine. Wow, look at how fun this gameplay is.
Just jumping around.
Oh, you just fucking engineering it?
He's just flying around. He's at the top
Whoa,
of the map.
whoa!
Wait, is Mark even in here?
Mark died.
Mark's been dead for quite a while.
I didn't even
I'm
notice.
literally just jumping around the map.
Go kill him. But how are they dying? What's hitting them? Oh, Fern! They blew up. They blew up.
Oh no!
I did not think being that far was gonna fucking fuck me up.
What do you mean you were right on top of him when it happened?
I was far.
No, you weren't.
I was around the corner.
Uh oh, is this where the run ends?
Fuck.
We gotta
No.
get it to the gold. We gotta end it at the gold.
That's just one attack. Look at all those balls flying everywhere. Oh my friend.
I'm gonna have to make a like compilation of all this shit that I recorded.
Am I in? Oh god.
You're fucking dead. Hellfire tincture.
What am I looking at, dude?
Hellfire tincture, Russell.
All my abilities
Oh, that
scale off
big
of attack speed, so they all get fast
Oh,
as shit.
the
You're fucking.
You're fucked.
dead.
You're fucked. What? Wait. Excuse me?
I'm calling God. You're dead now.
What
Dude.
is?
He hellfire tincture next.
No!
Oh, it blocked it. Your teddy bear blocked it.
Dumbass.
Oh,
You're dead.
no!
Oh, you're fucking
no
dead.
way!
Ran into
No
him.
way! No way! No way!
Oh,
Negative
God.
950.
Look at the damage.
Gold collected one.
Look at my fucking damage. Holy shit!
Dude, you had 13 mil. I had
Holy
six.
shit.
I only had fucking 6 mils.
I almost had.
Well, your turrets
double.
don't count with your damage, I don't think.
I almost had double of the second person.
Sammy had double, and he had double the kills. If turrets don't count, that's fucking dumb. It tells you how many. Oh, I got Moon Worshipper. That's a new item.
Wait, you can see how many purchases you made.
It tells you how many fucking items
Does it?
Mark unlocked.
Oh.
Wait, items
You did something
collect.
like wax quails, Sammy.
I just did. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Wait, I want to see Mark's deaths. 9. Russell, that was your only death.
Yeah.
15 stages completed. Damn. You said
That was my
20
only
was an
death, but I
achievement? That's
didn't do
dumb
shit.
hard.
Let's go another one, boys.
Fuck that. I'm getting off. Fuck that shit. I'll leave this with y'all.
Holy shit. I'm like exhausted from that.
Well, didn't you take like fucking melatonin like an
Oh
hour ago?
yeah, I took it like 20 minutes ago. Sleepy music. I want to go through the recording of that. I want to. What?
Holy
I don't
shit.
know when I started it.